Let me show you a demonstration of the Aerial Research and Innovation Platform. On the screen, you can see several terminal windows. The top two are to the edge server, and the bottom one is to the server that runs the core network. On the top right, I'm first going to start the container with the aerial layer 1. And on the top left, I'm going to start the OpenAirInterface layer 2 and above. On the window below, I already have the core network running. So the core network is also running in a container environment. So you have different containers for the different network functions of the core network. In the background here, I also have a Wireshark running that captures the traffic, the control traffic between the G node B and the core network. So for the moment, you can see the ng setup request and setup response. Now let me open another window, a remote desktop to the laptop where the UE is connected. Okay, and here you can now see that the UE is connected to the G node B and subsequently also to the core network. You see that the PDU session has been established. At the UE, we can now also see that it is connected. Okay, and it got the IP address 12.1.1.8. Okay, so from the now on the server where the core network is running, there's also a container for a potential edge application. And for the moment, I'm going to use this container simply to run a ping to the UE. And you can see here the round trip time of down to 15 milliseconds. Okay, I can also run an iPerf test. So let me start an iPerf server on the UE. Okay, and start the iPerf command on the edge server. Okay, so here I'm launching 130 megabits on the downlink direction, and we can see at the UE that we can sustain a throughput of 130 up to 135 megabits per second. Okay, once I'm finished with my test, I can disconnect the UE by putting it back into airplane mode. And we can see at the core network that the UE has been released and the G node B has released the UE as well.